let me tell you a story. I was swimming in Pangian today. Two of the local boys were telling me about this sound. I heard this sound and I said, "What is that sound? You know, isn't that a lizard sound?" And they said, "No, you know that sound that goes dook dook, that's a snake." I said, "What?" Because that sound is right around us. And they laughed at me and they said that their uncle caught an anaconda just behind our house last year. They described this anaconda as being as big as my leg. One of their uncles ate it. I really do live in the forested area of Bohol. Now, to all the Filipinos, you've heard of the man-made forest. Well, we've got our own little mini version here. It's starting to rain and it's pouring. Into Pila Dam on the right. The rain on the hills up there. Look at those boys on the back of this tricycle. I love this part of the world. You don't have to go far to see something beautiful or something different in the Philippines. Okay, here we go around this corner. I love the transport around here. The roads are certainly challenging on the way up to the fall. I can feel the anticipation building, the kind of moment you know will stay with you long after you have been somewhere truly special. Oh wow, look at that. Oh. Can-umantad Falls. Can-umantad Falls, not easy words. I don't think the camera will show how steep this really is. Oh wow. This is Renee, my guide. Watch my head. That is amazing. Certainly one of the most spectacular falls I've seen here in the Philippines. At the base of these amazing rice terraces, Can-umantad Falls drops 60 meters straight down. It's breathtaking. Wow, that is just beautiful. Oh, it's a bright day. Slippery little rocks. I love the romance of this place. It is your iconic falls in the heart of Bohol. But moving forward, I wanted to have a look at these rice terraces. They were just at the top of this hill through a small town, and out the back of a narrow, winding road. Going there, rice, nearly ready for harvest, lined each side of the highway. Oh wow! I think rice terraces have a beauty that is not easily seen in the West. Look how nearly ready for harvest this rice is. Sit back and watch the waves of rice fields as they glisten in the golden sun.